question number 18. Okay, so here is the questions. For some positive integer k, the repeating base number k representation 751 is expressed this way. Okay, expressed this way. 751 expressed this way. Okay, for example, if we have these numbers, I'm going to use some red color. Okay, so 321.56. This is base k numbers. How can you express this one? 300, that is what? 3 times k square, right? And 2 times k, and 1 times k is 1, and plus decimal. How can you express decimal? 5 times k minus 1, right? K minus 1. The next number 6 is what? 6 times k minus 2, right? That's the way. Keep going. Okay, all right. So we're gonna try this one. 0.23 repeating decimal, right? This is k expressed. What is that? First number 2, right? 2 times k minus 1. The next one plus 3 times k minus 2. Keep going, right? The next one will be another 2, isn't it? Another 2 over here, right? Another 2. So 2 times k to the what? The next is negative 3, right? So the next is 3 times k to the what? Negative 4. 2 times another 2, 3, 2, 3. Keep going, right? 2 times negative 5. The next will be 3 times k to the negative 6. Keep going, isn't it? So when you add all this number, that is equals to, what is it? Equals to 7/51, right? Okay, now can you find the sum of all these numbers? Okay, they all had 2, right? Keep going, 2. So 2 is out. Inside the parentheses, what is that? K minus 1 is 1 over k, right? Plus 1 over k cube plus 1 over k to the fifth. Keep going, right? That is infinite series, isn't it? This is a geometry, right? Common ratio is what? What is the common ratio? 1 over k square, right? But we know that 1 over k square is what? Less than 1. Isn't k is not 1, right? K is what? More than, greater than 1, okay? Yep. So that is less than 1, so we can use the formula, okay? Do you remember the formula over here? Infinite series. If common ratio is less than 1, infinite series equals what is the first term over 1 minus r. Do you remember this one? Yes, you do, right? Okay, so this one in case what is the first term is 1 over k minus over 1 minus 1 over the common ratio of k square, isn't it? Yeah, that's the first term, right? Infinite series. How much is this one? Times k square times k square, right? So this one out, it's gonna be k. You still have a 12 here. So k over k square minus 1, right? It's gonna be 2k over k square minus 1. That's it. Okay, now second one. Okay, this one. This is how much? 3 is out. Inside is what? 1 over k square, right? The next term is 1 over k to the 4. Keep going. Okay, still common ratio is what? Semi-this, okay? Less than 1, so we can use the formula, okay? So infinite series, how much? 3 times. First term is 1 over k square over 1 minus 1 over k square, isn't it? So times k square times k square. How much is that? This is out 3, right? Numerator, 1 times k square is k square. This is out minus 1, isn't it? Yeah, that is 3 over k square minus 1, okay? So you can add more, isn't it? You can add this too. How much is this one? When you this one, denominator still k square minus 1. Numerator, what? 2k plus 3, right? 2k plus 3. That's the sum of all repeating decimal, okay? That is equals to 751, isn't it? That is equals to 751. Okay, you have to solve this one. Okay, so cross multiplication. 7k squared minus 7 equals 2k times 51 is 102k. 3 times 51, 153. Keep going. Okay, keep going. Okay. 7k squared minus 102k minus 160, right? Quadratic equation, isn't it? Because this is AMC, right? So we cannot use a calculator. So we need a factor. It should be factored, okay? So how can you factor? Try and error, okay? So 7k and k, isn't it? Only one way, right? So in this case, to make 102, 16 over here plus 10, it's okay? Can you do that? Yeah, this is about 10k. This is about minus 11k, 112k, right? So their sum is 102k, isn't it? Negative 102k, it's okay, right? But 7k plus 10 cannot be 0, right? This one should be 0, okay? So k equals 60, okay? This is what base number is k, 16 number presentation, okay? So let me see. Okay, choice D is the answer, okay? Okay, question number 19. So what is the least possible value of this polynomial, okay? So they're asking us minimum, right? The least number is what? Minimum. Okay, in order to find the minimum, we need what? Quadratic form, okay? Because quadratic form. This is the minimum, or this is the maximum, right? Or it's a quadratic form. But when you take a look over here, there is degree form, that is not quadratic, okay? So you gotta change this form into quadratic. How can you express y in quadratic form? Degree 2. If we choose this, okay, try this too. Combine, okay? This is what? X squared plus 3x plus 2. The other one is x squared plus 7x plus 12. X squared 7x, x squared 3x, they are different. So we cannot let this with some large x. We can't, right? All right, so we're gonna take the other way, okay? Now I'm gonna delete this one. If we choose combine these two, what is it? X squared plus 5x plus 6. Now combine these two, x squared plus 5x plus 4, isn't it? Can you see that? X squared 5x, x squared 5x, they are equal, right? Now you can let this is about large x. Okay, I'm going to use the large x, or you can use any other, okay? I'm going to use large x. Okay, this is large x. This is a large x. Okay, so this one can be expressed this way. Large x plus 6, another large x plus 4, but we still have 2019, right? So the value is we let this way, okay, y, that's okay. But this is a quadratic, okay? To find the minimum or maximum, we need a quadratic form, that's the point. So can you find the vertex? How can you find the minimum? If you find the vertex, this point is what? Minimum, right? So this is what? X squared plus 6x, 4x, 10x. Plus 6 times 4, 24, we have a 2019 over here, okay? Add a 24 over here, how much? 2043, isn't it? What is the vertex form? Okay, x plus 5 square, isn't it? Large x plus 5 square. Or with this number is half of this one, right? So when you take it up, we add 25, we subtract 25 again, right? So it is 2018, isn't it? That is the valuable one. So what that means, when large x is what? Negative 5, okay? When large x is negative 5, the minimum value is what? 2018, isn't it? Okay, look at this way, right? This way. When x is negative 5, this is large x. That is 2018. That is minimum. But it's not asking you the value of little x. If it's asking you to find the little x, you have to solve, keep continue, okay? Little x squared plus 5x now is how much? Negative 5, isn't it? So what is that? X squared plus 5x plus 5 equals 0. You can solve this, okay, using quadratic formula, okay? But in this question, they're asking you to find what? Just the minimum value, okay? This is the minimum value, okay? 2018 is the answer, okay? The point over here, to find the minimum or maximum, we need to express what? Into quadratic form, okay? All right, that's all. Thank you.